Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this flavour-packed spicy lentil pie. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I'll make a start by preparing my vegetables. I'll chop one medium-sized red onion into a fine dice. I've washed one celery stick and I'll chop that up finely as well. And I'll peel and chop 2 small carrots. And for the topping, I'm going to be using 800 grams of potatoes. I'll chop into even-sized pieces and cook in some salted water. While my potatoes are cooking, I'll heat 3 tablespoons of oil and add my chopped veggies. I'm not looking to colour them, I just want to soften and release the flavour. This will take about 10 minutes under a medium heat. Once the vegetables are softened, I'm going to go in with 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I'll allow that to cook out for a couple of minutes to release the flavour. And then I'll go in with 3 fluid ounces of wine. I'm using white as I didn't have any red. Then I'll add a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes. Next I'll add 2 bay leaves, a pinch of rosemary, 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, a big pinch of cayenne pepper and a pinch of chili flakes for some heat. And I'm going to add a dash of balsamic vinegar. And next I'll pour in 100 millilitres of vegetable stock. Let my sauce cook down for 10 minutes, stirring in between time. At this point I'll preheat my oven to 200 Celsius. I'll check on my potatoes and they're pretty much cooked, so now I'm going to add a couple of handfuls of frozen peas. I'll let that boil out for a couple of minutes before draining. The sauce is reduced now, so I've drained and rinsed 400 grams of pre-cooked green lentils. I'll stir the lentils in, check and adjust my seasoning before taking it off the heat. I've added a little bit of black pepper and a bit more salt to taste. Drained my potatoes and peas really well, and I'll spend some time crushing down the potatoes. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of butter and splashes of milk. I want the consistency to be easily spreadable, and I'll season well with salt and pepper. I'll pour all of the lentil sauce in an oven-proof dish, and I won't forget to take out the 2 bay leaves. And top with that creamy mashed potato. I'll bake my pie for 30 minutes until golden brown at 200 Celsius. And after 30 minutes of baking, our lentil pie is crispy on top and golden brown. And there it is, our tasty lentil pie. Nice and crispy on top. And for some texture, I just like to keep the carrots a little bit on the crunchier side. I hope you've enjoyed today's spicy lentil pie recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please subscribe, like and share this video with anyone you think might enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.